Welcome to Law and Life. This is Shashank Mishra with the renowned senior advocate of Supreme Court of India, Subodh Markandeji. 17th episode, we will be discussing on interfaith marriage, prospect and challenge. In the modern day globalized world, men and women of different culture, linguistic, nations, and religious background are bound to work and interact with each other, get attracted, live in relationship, and all maybe marry also. So broader legal framework for problems arising from such situation is essential. Though the Special Marriage Act was enacted way back in 1956, the society as a whole is not well integrated. The benefit of Special Marriage Act on the desired kids. What's your opinion on it, sir?
I think more and more people are becoming aware of the available marital avenues of legal redressal and
Yes,
their
sir.
rights and remedies and things like that.
Yes, sir. On that they are talking abbreviation also. On 4th May this year, 26-year-old Ballipuram Nagaraja, a Dalit youth, was beaten and stabbed to death and on a busy street of Hyderabad. Nagaraja and his wife Saida Asina Sultana, both riding a two-wheeler, were given a chase by Sultana's brother and a relative. Waylaid and murdered Nagaraja. They have been in a relationship for almost of 11th years that they have been studying in school and college. Nagaraja had earlier approached Sultana's family for marriage, but they were rebuffed. Couple got married in January this year and began living in Suranagar, Hyderabad, but were tailed by Sultana's family. Fearing some trouble, they moved to Visakhapatnam, had temporarily come to Hyderabad. This case sent a shockwave across the nation. Prospects of interfaith and indeed intercaste marriage seem to be quite bleak. What do you think on that?
There are no doubt tremendous challenges in such marriages. But in Nagaraja's case, the family of Sultana had extremely rabid views. A lot of people still have them, yeah. In our day-to-day life, we, however, come across many successful interfaith and intercaste marriages. I had in my chamber an elderly person, Mr. K.N.R. Pillai. He joined me after he retired from the service of Railway Board. Uh, his was an interfaith marriage, and that also early in 1950s. While in college, he met a Christian girl. They got married. Yeah, there was some opposition, no doubt. Just imagine in 1950s. Uh, but they were very understanding couple. So they said that their marriage being a love marriage, neither of them need to change their religion. On attaining the majority, their children would have the freedom to choose their own religion. This makes me think that the change of religion should not be necessary in any interfaith marriage. So the necessary corollary is that Special Marriage Act 1956 should be invariably govern all the interfaith marriages and if possible also the intercaste marriages. This would solve most of the legal problems relating to such marriages. On a visit to the office of Registrar of Marriage recently, I was surprised to see that hordes of Muslim couples are these days getting married under the Special Marriage Act. On this channel, Law and Life, we have discussed in extenso in two episodes, numbers 9 and 10, the Uniform Civil Code mandated by Article 44 of the Constitution. Article 44 mandates the state, state that is parliament and state legislatures in the present case. So they have failed to enact a uniform civil code. I think by and large it's the parliament which has failed to do this because uniform civil code applicable throughout India can only be enacted by parliament. In fact, we have pointed out in those two episodes that the highest executive authority in the land uh, was to a very large degree responsible for this. In 1973, it was largely on the inspiration of the then Prime Minister that the so called All India Muslim Law Board was established. Now, the object of that board is diametrically opposite to the object of Article 44 of the Constitution. So, there is there is this huge conflict when the highest executive authority in the land blesses such a move. It's very difficult to say that to ask this question why uniform civil code has not been enacted. There are two judgments of the Honorable Supreme Court in Shahbanu's case and then Sarla Mudgal's case that the state must, without further delay, enact the Uniform Civil Code.
Yes, sir. We hope that such law may be implemented, and thank you for giving your time, sir. This was all for today, and thank you for watching, everyone.